Manonye mawu yome, manonye de la yome, eyasi meko agbele, manonye mawu yome, eyasi meko agbele, manonye de la yome, manonye yome da.
Hello folks, this is Adinkra to achieve some of my undergraduate projects which I did on African symbols. So I pray that you pray with me that I'm able to sustain this. Okay, so watch out, sit there. Let's see how we can explore these symbols and the meaning to us as Africans and to outside world. I'm telling you, the outside is using our symbols. If you check out on the which movie is this? The one that Wakanda is. The one that Wakanda is. Go check it out. The symbols are being used there. In my project, I did an extensive work and I realized that they are being used. And trust me, something that is differently, the interpretations are different. And watch it and we ask, what is it? But if you're able to understand them, as you watch these symbols, or watch them being used in communication, we're able to interpret them well and teach others. So enjoy, join me on the ride. I promise it's going to be very, very fun. And educative. See ya, Nyadogo.
Manonye mawu yome, manonye de la yome, eyasi